Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and I hope you're all fine. In today's video we are going to make aluminum air battery. It will be very professional, very nice and applicable battery. For this project I am going to use this plastic tube, small plastic tube. We will use it as a battery and the out part of the battery. And another things I am going to use is 4 pieces of aluminum foil. I'm going to use these aluminum foils as the negative poles for the battery. And also I have 4 pieces of graphite sticks, graphite rods. I'm going to use these graphite rods as the positive poles of the battery. And also I have 4 pieces of paper towel, paper tissues. I'm going to use these paper towels, paper tissues as the insulator for the battery. And I'm going to use sodium hydroxide equals electrolyte for this battery. Now let me give you the size of the pieces. And this aluminum foil is about 5 centimeters to 4 centimeters, and the paper towels are a little bit larger in size, larger than aluminum foils. And again, this graphite rods is almost about 4 centimeters, a little bit less than 4 centimeters. And now I will show you how we can make our battery. Don't forget that this battery is not a fake battery. There are a lot of videos on YouTube. They claim that they are doing aluminum air batteries, but most of them are fake. But don't forget that this battery will be a very professional and real one. It's not a fake. So let's start to build our battery. And also I'm going to use some copper wires here for our battery as the collector, as the connections for my battery. First of all, I will connect some copper wire at the top of the graphite sticks. Now I'm going to use the aluminum foils and the paper towels and roll the sticks. Just like this, I'm going to roll each graphite sticks. Well, I think that's enough. Now I'm going to use the aluminum foils and roll it again. Just use a small piece of tape to stable the aluminum foil. Okay, that's nice. Now I'm going to make the connections for aluminum foil. And I have some little pipe here. I will just put these sticks into the pipes to fix it. Now, okay, I'm going to put it inside. As you see, the first one is ready. Now I am going to do the same thing for the other 3 pieces of the graphite sticks, and I will bring them all together. Okay, our 4 pieces of battery cells are ready now. We will connect them in series and put them together and put all of them into this plastic tube. First, make the connections. When you make the connections, please be careful about the short circuit, okay? Okay, my friends, all connections are ready. I put the 4 pieces of battery cells in series. Now I will put these cells into the plastic tube. Okay, put it very carefully. I'm going to use my hot glue to close the bottom part of the battery. Okay, just closed it very well. Now put it away for a while. Now it's time to prepare our electrolyte. For our electrolyte, I am going to use sodium hydroxide. It's also drain opener. You can use drain opener. A little bit sodium hydroxide will be enough. And I'm going to use just potable water. You don't need to use deionized or distilled water. Just potable water will be fine for this project. Now I'm going to put some water into the sodium hydroxide. And just give a stir. When you stir it, it will be very hot. Careful about that, it will be hot. Stir it until completely dissolved into the water. Now I'm going to use this injection to put our electrolyte into the battery. I will just put it very slowly. Okay, put a little bit more. Don't put too much, just enough for the battery. If you put too much, the short circuit will be occur into the battery. I think that's enough. Now it's time to use again hot glue to completely seal the battery. But be careful, you have to leave a little bit hole in order to let the gas run out from the battery. Don't completely cover the battery. Just leave a little bit small hole here. Okay? It's enough. It's very important for our battery. Just leave a little bit small hole here. Okay, our battery is ready. Now it's time to make some test on it. Okay, first of all, let's measure the voltage. Now As you see, the voltage is about 1.7 volt. Yeah, okay, but look again. Yeah, the voltage is about 1.7, approximately 1.7. Now I'm going to make some more tests on the battery. I will try to light this small LED with our battery. Just let me show you here. Put this side. Okay, as you see, our LED is working very well with the battery. That's good. You see, that's nice. Okay. Did you remember our homemade doorbell? Now I'm going to try to run our homemade doorbell with our battery. Okay, just make the connections. And I'm sorry for that. Okay, that's nice. Thanks for watching, my friends. I hope you enjoyed the video. You like the battery. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and take care of yourself, my friends.